Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your mode button in the all-new 2023 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an X-Line all-wheel drive in jungle green. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the mode button is located to the left side of the steering wheel here in this cluster of buttons. If I go ahead and press the mode button, it basically acts like an input or a source button, just like on a TV. So when this comes up on the infotainment screen after pressing it, then it asks us, would we like to go through these different sources when we push the button? So you have the option to go between Bluetooth audio, phone projection, which would be Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, USB music, which is like a USB flash drive from the computer, or your FM or AM radio. Now, for those who don't usually listen to anything more than the FM radio, you may never really use the mode button. But if you happen to go through different inputs like I do, I mostly end up using the FM. I do have a USB drive that I use quite religiously, and I stream my phone through Spotify with just the Bluetooth audio instead of using Android Auto. So those three are selected. So if I go ahead and hit the home button, and now if I were to go press the mode button, right now it's only going to flip it over to the FM because I don't have a USB drive in this car and my phone's not connected with Bluetooth. But then it would actually source through those different inputs. And then if you wanted to change which inputs you can select with mode, you can press and hold it again for a few seconds and it pops back up, and you can always add something or remove something as you want to. And that's how you do it.